till its day?
Well, a lot of exciting changes. I mean, obviously, it's grown in size. It's added a master's program, which was not here when I was here. But more than anything else, what I was really excited about this morning, they launched an MBA track with a CPA and CMA MBA track. And I have both my CPA and my CMA. And I think if I had had that opportunity when I was here, it would have saved me a lot of time and effort studying for those exams. So it's definitely a fantastic opportunity for people. Because how do I, get my 5th year of education to sit for the CPA exam, but also get a CPA prep course content work, included in that material. So,
right. Your theme for your lecture here was don't let your major necessarily determine your career. Explain what you mean by that and how your career path has led you to this conclusion.
Yeah, and it's not so much about my career path necessarily. It's just typically when you look at people, they graduate in a liberal arts background or a business background or a pharmacy background or whatever it might be. But if you fast forward 10, 15, 20 years, they may or may not be doing things pertaining to their major. And so I think the example that I like to use is I've gone all the way from working for a big brand like Nike to the other extreme where I was working for a not-for-profit organization dealing with healthcare related issues. And then now you fast forward again and then I'm working for an online jeweler. And so if you think about it, there's just a lot of different businesses, some in the for-profit sector as well as the not-for-profit sector, and you continuously learn and evolve and you learn on the job. So you're not necessarily restricted to your major. And I think the biggest thing I would say is that my major was accounting, and I did accounting for a while, but then I also moved on and did other things. And now with the interim CFO role, I've kind of gotten back into the finance and accounting side of things.
Right. Often students believe they need to be experts in a major, or experts or major in a field in order to even consider working in it. Your career has taken you to more topics than just accounting. What would you say is the minimum one should know about a field to pursue career opportunities in it?
I think it's important to know and understand the field, right? I think it's important to actually develop the ability to become an expert.